Hey, it's me, the Carpigiani Gelato University laboratory. Now, I'm quiet and empty, but that's only because I'm taking a break. Normally, all kinds of things go on here. I could tell you endless stories. Like Jane from Singapore, who decided after a trip to Italy to create an oolong tea gelato to add to the menu of her tea room. Or rather, her chain of tea rooms. Another great story is Matt, who was tired of his life in finance and spending all his time in his office on the 50th floor. So, he invested his savings in an organic bistro in Brooklyn, where vegan gelato is a must-have. Then there is Antonio, who, having spent his life working abroad, decided to return to his home by the sea and renovate the old gelateria by the harbour. Olinda's dream, on the other hand, was to honour her Italian origins by offering artisan gelato to the guests in her posada in Brazil. All these people and many more have passed through here. They all had their own dreams and stories. They all weighed ingredients, blended them, stirred, poured, spilled, whipped, batch froze, served, and tasted all kinds of gelato. It's part of the course. They all listened, took notes, asked questions, studied and learned from our gelato maestros too. And finally, Jane, Matt, Antonia, Olinda and all the others near and far graduated. But this isn't just where tomorrow's gelato makers start out. It's also where ideas, projects and friendships and experiences are born. You come to Carpigiani Gelato University to change careers, and then you realize it has changed your life. Carpigiani Gelato University. Change your life with a gelato. And me? Well, I'm always here, waiting for new stories. Maybe the next one will be yours.